If settings application is not opening in your Samsung Galaxy A07, then in this video I'll tell you a method by which you can fix this issue. First of all, simply navigate to your app drawer like this and hold the settings application icon for 1 second like this. And right here you can see a small information icon. Simply tap on that like so, then scroll down and tap on storage, and from here you will need to clear the cache and clear the data. Tap on clear cache, and after a few moments tap on clear data, then tap on delete like so, and after that your settings application will be working fine. Simply go to your settings and I can see that my settings application is working fine. However, if the issue still remains, then you will need to force restart your device. To force restart, simply hold up your device and press the power button and volume down button at the same time, and keep holding until the screen goes black like this. Press the power button and volume down button at the same time. Keep holding. Now release the power button once the screen goes black. And by doing this, your settings application will be working fine. So that's how you can easily fix phone settings not opening issue on your Samsung Galaxy A07. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.